Did you know a website can cost you almost $10,000 up front? And that doesn't include maintenance, logos, marketing, or hosting fees. Even if you own your own domain, you may get charged just to use it. Plus, you don't even own the site that you just paid for. There's a better way to save money: own your site and get help running your business. At Xelbooks, we can help you automate your business and reach your potential through a host of affordable services. Get assistance for all your administrative needs whenever you need it. Take back your life with our custom organizing solutions. Our sites include marketing, EINs, logos, and more. Get noticed with infomercials, transcription, and professional videos from our trained production team. Activate your dream today with Xelbooks.